Turn an old camera into a home or baby monitor. This section will cover how to use a Pi Zero as a surveillance cam using a night vision camera and Motion iOS. This giving us multiple options for setup, recording, even streaming the video to another location. Parts needed. Let's go through the parts and tools necessary to finish this project. For our enclosure, we will use a 1946 Kodak camera, which has the perfect layout for our project. For its small size and wireless capability, we will use a Raspberry Pi Zero. This will fit perfectly in our case. A microSD card. If you plan on recording continuously and not based on motion sensor, you will need a minimum of 16 GB SD card. For our sensor, I choose an AR fisheye camera for the Pi Zero. It has 5 megapixels and records up to 1080p resolution. The purpose of the project being a home security camera or baby monitor, the AR capabilities is a must. This camera comes with 2 infrared flashlights for floodlight during the night. We will use a micro USB male to female extension cable for powering the Pi. A 5 meters length micro USB cable to be able to power the camera, along with a charging adapter. You can use a fast charge one. Some used cables from a USB cord, a USB card reader for installing our OS, for making our life easier, a mini HDMI to HDMI cable, a couple of heat shrink pieces, some resin core solder, and now let's go through some of the tools. First of all, a clamp. This will help us with cutting the wires and making small adjustments. A hot glue gun. We will use this to fix in place some of the components. A rotary multi-tool with a cutting disc, and a soldering iron with a clean shiny tip.